Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Tinder age restriction on your phone. Let's get started. First, check your date of birth. Tinder requires users to be at least 18 years old. Open your Tinder app on your phone, then go to your profile, go to settings and make sure your birth date is correct. If your age is below 18, you won't be able to use Tinder legally. You will need to wait until you meet the age requirement. Don't try to lie about your age. This can get your account back. If your age is correct, but you are still restricted, log out and reinstall Tinder on your phone. Delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store and log in again. This can refresh your account information. Another step is to check the Apple ID or Facebook account linked to Tinder. Make sure the date of birth there is correct because Tinder pulls age info from this account. Finally, connect Tinder support. If the problem continues, go to Tinder Help Center, select account access and explain that your age is correct but you are still restricted. This can help fix the issue. And that's it. Check your BOD, reinstall the app, verify linked account and connect support if needed. Follow this step will help you fix age restriction on Tinder on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.